Calling all athletes 50 years of age and better to join us for the 2020 Bullhead City Laughlin Senior Games, January 12th through the 19th, and start your journey to gold. Compete in sports like 5K road race, basketball, bowling, cornhole, golf, horseshoes, pickleball, powerlifting, softball, swimming, table tennis, and track and field. New this year is 3-on-3 basketball, volleyball, and power walking. Bullhead City Laughlin Senior Games, 2 states, 2 time zones, and 1 gold medal. Register today at www.seniorgames.co and be sure to follow us on Facebook.